Insects have two antennae that stick out above their heads. Antennae are essential sensory organs for insects. They help them communicate, find food, and locate mates. An insect's antenna consists of three segments: the scape, pedicel, and flagellum. The scape is usually short and thick, serving as a base without sensory organs. The pedicel is typically small and functions in hearing. The flagellum is the primary sensory part responsible for smell and touch. Because of the differences in species and gender, the length, thickness, and shape of insect antennae vary greatly. There are roughly 12 types of insect antennae: filiform, bristle-shaped, maniliform, serrate, plumose, clavate, pectinate, geniculate, aristate, pilose, capitate, and stylate. Now, let's use the microscope to observe the antennae of bees, locusts, and butterflies. Observing bee antennae. Bees have geniculate, or elbowed, antennae. Under the microscope, we can see the distinct segments: the scape, pedicel, and flagellum, connected in a bent, elbow-like manner. The scape is relatively long, the pedicel is small, and the flagellum segments are similar in size. Antennae are crucial sensory organs for bees, covered with tiny sensory cells and fine hairs that help them detect the scent of flowers and find nectar. Observing locust antennae. Locusts have filiform, or thread-like, antennae. Under the microscope, we can see that the locust's antennae are light yellow, long, thin, and slightly curved. The antennae are segmented, with each segment serving a particular function. They have many sensory organs that can detect sounds, temperature, humidity, and wind direction in the environment. Observing butterfly antennae. Butterflies have clavate, or clubbed, antennae, with the tips often resembling small knobs. Looking at the microscope screen, the butterfly's antennae resemble little drumsticks, with a thin shaft and a slightly larger tip. Butterfly antennae have a highly developed sense of smell, allowing them to distinguish different scents. They also play a role in touch and maintaining balance.